Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ronnie with Osborn, and today we're going to be talking about Osborn's cup brushes. Now, cup brushes are designed for use in high-speed air and electric tools, both portable and stationary machines. They are ideal for fast, heavy-duty cleaning, large surface areas, removing weld, scales, rust, burrs, paint, and much, much more. So I got some Osborn cup brush with me today. I got some big ones, I got some small ones. Both are gonna get the job cleaned up for you. So let's go ahead and get started.
All right, guys, right here I got a really old, nasty, rusty piece of steel right here. You see that? It's nasty, but guess what? We got the Osborn cup brushes and we're gonna clean it up. So for these cup brushes, man, you can throw them on one of your regular 4.5-inch angle grinders. This is a bit of a smaller type cup brush. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this on here. I'm gonna clean this steel and I'm gonna show you just how fast and how good this Osborn cup brush works. So here we go. Alright guys, so we just got done using the Osborn cup brush on this rusty steel. Come and check this out. I mean, it took it off so quickly and so fast. I mean, that looks pretty much like a brand new piece of steel compared to what we started with. You can see that rust on there. And now this is just a scrap piece. You can see this weld right here has already been cut. This piece has been sitting out in the weather for a while. And we put this Osborn cup brush to the test right here. And what I love about this Osborn cup brush is it allows you to clean a big surface area very fast. And what I like about the bigger one is we can clean an even bigger surface area even faster. So let's go ahead and get the bigger cup brush set up and we'll jump into that. Alright guys, so I got everything here. You can see the steel that we just cleaned up right here with the bigger wire cup brush. It completely removed all that epoxy paint, all the primer. I mean, this thing feels brand new, it looks brand new, and it's definitely clean. Same thing goes for this one that was really oxidized, sitting out in the weather. It's super clean, looks brand new, and that's what you want, and that's what you're gonna get out of these Osborn cup brushes. So if you guys like what you see here, go to osborn.com, check out the Osborn cup brushes.